We walk inside the playground gate, big smile show we cannot wait. Shoes go fast, hearts feel light, honey, honey, enjoy the day. Tall swings creak and start to fly, feet kick clouds up in the sky. Up and down we laugh and sway, honey, honey, enjoy the day. Slippery slide is shiny bright, zooming down with pure delight. Land with giggles, shout hooray, honey, honey, enjoy the day. Seesaw goes up, seesaw goes down, funny faces, silly frown. Bounce and shout in a playful way, honey, honey, enjoy the day. Soft sand makes a tiny town, buckets flip and castles crown. Oops, it falls, we laugh and play, honey, honey, enjoy the day. Red ball rolls across the ground, kick it, catch it, spin around. Miss the goal, but still we play, honey, honey, enjoy the day. Run and chase in a game of tag, fast little feet never lag. Freeze then run and sneak away, honey, honey, enjoy the day. Chalky squares hop one by one, balance wiggles, still it's fun. Jump and clap and skip away, honey, honey, enjoy the day. Round and round the spinner goes, hair flies up and tickles nose. Stop too fast, we feel okay, honey, honey, enjoy the day. Climbing frame is big and tall, careful hands don't want to fall. Reach the top and wave and say, honey, honey, enjoy the day. Monkey bars go cling, clang, cling, hang like birds and gently swing. Drop with laughter, shout hooray, honey, honey, enjoy the day. Bench time brings a snack to eat, crunchy bites are super sweet. Sip some water, then we play, honey, honey, enjoy the day. Bubble wand goes whoosh and pop, rainbow bubbles never stop. Chase them all as they float away, honey, honey, enjoy the day. Drawing roads with colorful chalk, funny suns that smile and talk. Oops, a doodle runs astray, honey, honey, enjoy the day. Kite goes dancing in the air, string feels tickly in our care. Wind says hello, zoom and sway, honey, honey, enjoy the day. Water fountain, splashy sip.